Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the kitchen. And today I'm gonna show you this. I'm not gonna be able to really do anything with it. I'm not gonna connect it up today, but I'll show you how it works. I'll do an unboxing and explain it. And what this is it's like an invisible wall hanging picture kit. So what you have is you have a bunch of like fishing line. Let's see if I can open this up a little bit here. It's wrapped up with cellophane. There we go. Okay, so there we go. So I'm not going to open the whole thing up, but I'll just show you this here. So you've got fishing line with just a whole ton of fishing line, and you can kind of see it's decently thick. It's a lot thicker than just regular fishing line, so it's actually going to be a higher strength than just some regular fishing line. Let me connect this back up here so it doesn't all unspool on myself here. There we go. So it's going to hold it in place. And then it comes with these little connectors here. So let's open this up here. And if I can open it, there we go. And so the way it works is you'll hang them, you'll string something up through it, and you'll string the little bead. You see the little bead there. So I'll show you here. I'll take out a couple of loops here. I just don't want to unstring the whole thing and have it all unravel on me. So let's put this in here. Okay, so to make the little loop, what you do is you make a loop. So put a little kink in it, make the loop, put this through, and then you see you have a little loop at the end of it, like that. And then, but you'll take some pliers and crimp that, and then you'll hang that, and that'll actually hang it fairly invisibly down the wall. So you can hang it there, and then you can tie these onto the hooks of your picture to hang it that way. And so it makes it really kind of an invisible hanging hook thing. So you could have a whole wall of these hanging down and make it super invisible and super cool to hang your stuff. So very cool. So the thought is there. It's super easy, simple concept here, but very nice way to have it in a little kit for you to do. So I'm going to say thumbs up from this. Very cool. It seems like it's going to hold something. It'll probably hold something my weight. It would probably hold 200 pounds or something. It's pretty thick string. So I'm going to say I like it. Thumbs up. I'm going to put the link in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.